Because time is eternal, and one of the aspects of time is destruction.
Destruction, yes.
Time I am, and I've come to destroy all things. Krishna says in Gita, everything in creation, everything that's created or manifested will go through 6 changes before it's unmanifest. It manifests, it grows, it produces some byproducts, it maintains, it dwindles, then it becomes unmanifest. We say vanishes or death, or just unmanifest. So these Bhajan Kutiras which you see in 2017 are different physically in appearance than what you saw 10 years ago.
Yes, yes.
And then what we saw 40 years ago was probably different than what was here 100 years ago.
Yes, yes, yes.
And what they saw 100 years ago was probably different than what was there 300 years ago.
Yes, yes.
So obviously, you're asking this development, and not development, just maintenance basically. When the old one is unworkable, because all the cement is falling apart, because everything has its lifespan. Cement and all these material things have a lifespan. So when they're deteriorating and falling apart and all the wooden beams inside are rotten, then they have to repair.
Yes.
So they repair and repair and repair.
Yes.
And finally one wealthy bhakta comes along and says, oh, it's time to let's make a better one. So it's whose idea is it? Is it Sanatana Goswami's idea? Is it the Bhakta's idea? Is it Krishna's idea?
Krishna's idea.
Whose idea? That I can't answer. Because actually, all ideas come from Krishna.
All ideas.
He says, I am the intelligence of the intelligent. From me comes remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. So Krishna is the source of everything. Ham sarvasya prabhavo, mata sarvam pravartate. Everything comes from Krishna. So nothing can be done without his sanction. Maybe that some devotee gets inspired, and then Krishna helps him, and he's successful.